In our previous videos, we looked at the basic layout of Inventor HSM. We discovered that a setup defines the work coordinate system, the model we're machining, and the stock we're machining it from, and we produced the series of operations necessary to machine the part. In this video, we're going to look at how we take this series of operations and create code that a CNC machine can understand. This is done through a process called post-processing. Now we want to create one program for all of our operations, so we're going to select the entire setup and click Post. In the Post Configuration drop-down of the Post dialog, we'll find the vast list of industry standard machines and controls that HSM ships with post processors for. For this demonstration, we're going to post for a Haas CNC milling machine. So I'll go ahead and tap H on my keyboard to navigate to the posts that start with H. We're going to use the generic Haas post, so I'll select it, and we can click Post. I'll save my program, and it opens in HSM Edit where we can view the toolpath. Let's make sure we're on the Backplot tab. Activate the Backplot window. Here we can visualize the posted G-codes that the Haas machine understands. So we've posted some code that will run safely on a Haas, but what if there's some preferences that you have that are different than mine? Let's take a look at how we make those changes. I'm going to go ahead and tab back to Inventor. And this time we're going to just post a single operation to demonstrate how we can post a program for just one operation. So I'm selecting my 2D adaptive operation and I'll click Post Process. Let's change our program number from 1001 to 1002, and then I'd like to draw your attention to the user-defined properties area. Here we can make common formatting changes to the post processor without the need to actually dive in and really modify the post. Of course, if you'd like to modify a post processor, it's fully open and well documented and supported on our CAM forum. Now, within the properties, if I scroll down, we're going to see some of these options are blue. The blue ones mean I've got personal preferences that are different than the factory defaults. For example, I've decided not to show sequence numbers. We could change that from no to yes. So it's back to the default. It's no longer blue. When we post this program, it's going to output sequence numbers. Another option that's very useful, especially when we're using adaptive roughing, is use G187. When using the G187 option, HSM is going to look at the cut tolerance and stock to leave on the operation and put the Haas machine in the correct mode to balance between quality and performance. Let's go ahead and set that to yes, and now we're going to post-process our code. Again, we'll save it, and the code opens up in our editor. Here there's a few things to notice. One, we've just posted out the 2D adaptive operation, and we've also posted out line numbers. Lastly, we'll see a line that's calling G187 and putting the Haas into the correct mode for roughing. So with that, we've reviewed the layout of Inventor HSM, we've created a setup, produced operations, and we now know how to post-process code for our machine and even make simple changes to a post processor to format the code to our personal preferences. You should now be well on your way to producing parts with Inventor HSM.